The Rock, and racing. Elgin and German draws for your lead. Keyboy running by the rail. Mega Max moving upon the outside. Mac Dollar is in fourth, followed by My Ray, and San Marino is in behind them past the last 800. Keyboy, Mega Max almost has won this time. Then moving upon the outside to take third. Is entry number 5, Mac Dollar by the rail, Elgin and German, My Ray, and a long way back to San Marino as they head towards the last 450. Mega Max this time by about 2 lengths. Keyboy remains in second. Mac Dollar, Elgin and German is by the rail as they turn for home. Mega Max this time by about 4 lengths. Keyboy still in second. Elgin and German, Mac Dollar with the last 150 more to run. Mega Max this time by about 4 lengths over Keyboy, Elgin and German. And finally, Mega Max, Keyboy close between Mac Dollar, Elgin and German. Then comes My Ray and San Marino.